Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southeast of Dwight and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Persh around 6:30 p.m., Clifton around 6:55 p.m., Ashcombe around 7 o'clock p.m., Interstate 57 between mile markers 283 and 302. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure and stay away from windows until this storm has passed. A severe